Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. Bitcoin blast through not only $20,000, we are over $21,000 right now, guys. And we are at the start of something very special, something that's going to shock the world and shake the world. And I've got some of the biggest and bullish news ever I've ever shared on this channel with you guys. Before we go further, we're closely approaching 50,000 subscribers on this channel. So please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, take a look at this price for Bitcoin, $21,272. I didn't expect it to go over 21,000 today. I thought we would break 20 and then maybe we see a correction. But man, it's pumping hard. Look at this green candle. My goodness, guys. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just the start. There's more to come. Stock to flow model is predicting a $100,000 Bitcoin price. Is that a certainty? No, but we can get very close, right? Or maybe beyond that, because the news I'm going to share with you guys today is mind-blowing. Let me give you the first one. You guys remember the Guggenheim fund? We talked about them over the past few weeks. They said they were putting $497 million in this grayscale GBTC trust. Well, their chief investment officer went on Bloomberg on TV and said the following: our fundamental work shows that Bitcoin should be worth about $400,000. Boom. It is underpriced right now. Guys, we are so lucky we're here early. And let me play the clip for you so you can hear it from the horse's mouth.
Of course, we made the decision to start allocating toward Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at 10,000. It's a little more challenging with the current price closer to 20,000. Amazing, over a very short period of time, how big of a run-up we've had. But having said that, our fundamental work shows that Bitcoin should be worth about $400,000.
Whoa.
So, we're going to, even if we had the ability to do so today, we're going to monitor the market and see how trading goes on valuation, but ultimately look to buy it.
Scott Miner, we want to delay the Fed press conference for this comment by you. How do you frame a 400,000 Bitcoin? How do you get from where we are now out to 400,000? Is it just based on scarcity?
Yeah, right, Tom. It's based on the scarcity and relative valuation, such as things like gold as a percentage of GDP. So, Bitcoin is actually has a lot of the attributes of gold, and at the same time has an unusual value in terms of transactions.
Right. Mike McKee emails me, why are we talking about BitDog while we've got a Fed press conference going on? McKee, jump in here and save.
Guys, it is time. It is time. This man goes on Bloomberg. He's leaving the interviewers speechless. They're like, huh? Whoa. Hey, Mike, slow down a second. Wait a minute. What did you just say? $400,000? What? Right? Guys, this is just the start of it. This is just the start of it. I'm telling you, this is just the start of it. More and more of them are coming. We saw Paul Tudor Jones started this trend earlier this year, talking about Bitcoin crypto is the fastest horse in the race. And then we saw more billionaires and hedge fund managers go on TV promoting Bitcoin. This man just said Bitcoin should be worth $400,000 right now because of the supply and demand economics. And we're seeing money leaving gold and going into Bitcoin, guys. This ain't nothing. Wait. Just be patient and wait and sit back and relax and have your cash out plan, guys. Next big news. Dan Tapiero shared this, and he's a big gold bug, by the way, but he's also bullish on Bitcoin. He's not an idiot like Peter Schiff. Never thought I would see even more bullish news than the Mass Mutual Bitcoin purchase. We heard about Mass Mutual buying $100 million in Bitcoin. Well, he said here, but the most staid and traditional Northern Trust will become a custodian for cryptocurrency. $13 trillion in assets under custody, $1.3 trillion under management. Wow. Guys, and look who's involved with them. Standard Chartered. What we just talked about it in a couple of videos ago. They are a Ripple early investor, a Ripple partner. This is big time news. So Standard Chartered and Northern Trust partner to launch Zodia, a cryptocurrency custodian for institutional investors. SC Ventures, the Innovation and Ventures unit of Standard Chartered, and Northern Trust, a leading provider of asset servicing, have entered an agreement to launch Zodia Custody, an institutional-grade custody solution for cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies already represent 0.3% of the world's currency and bank deposits and are forecast to continue growing with a CAGR of 32%. I don't know what that is. I apologize. From 2019 to 2024. While there is increasing interest from institutional investors, they account for only 9% of investments in cryptocurrencies at the present. Yeah, guess what? The number is going to triple, quadruple within the next year. Just watch it, guys. This is such bullish news. My goodness. I'm so excited. You guys can tell I'm very, very excited. The things we've been talking about for years are coming to fruition. And it's amazing to see these traditional financial players and institutional investors go out there and promote Bitcoin and say Bitcoin should be worth $400,000. I love it, guys. The next big news. Here's a hedge fund that expects to hold $1 billion in Bitcoin and Ether by early next year. Here's a quote. "This is the most interesting macro trade I've seen in my career." Notice the key word there, macro. What have I always been pointing you guys to? Macro level view of the market. Forget daily, weekly, even monthly charts. What is the macro level story, guys? And we are at the growth and maturation phase of a new asset class. And what's great about it, it's global. It's not just US based. It's not just UK based. Everybody on the planet can participate. No gatekeepers. You don't have to be an accredited investor. So you can imagine a lot of money flowing into this market. So here's the article of this hedge fund. Guys, hedge fund One River is the newest player in cryptocurrencies. CEO Peters sees generational allocation to digital assets. And it looks like they're gonna put $1 billion in combination of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So a hedge fund specializing in volatility bets has emerged as one of the largest investors in Bitcoin after quietly buying more than $600 million in cryptocurrencies and joining forces with Alan Howard, the co-founder of Brevin Howard Asset Management. Eric Peters, chief executive officer of One River Asset Management, said in an interview he set up a new company to seize on the growing interest in cryptocurrencies. Let me read that for you. He set up a new company to seize on the growing interest in cryptocurrencies among institutional investors. See what's happening, guys? They see the demand, they see the growth, and everybody's trying to set up shop, expand globally, put their stake in the ground as early as possible. There's going to be a lot of money made here. You and I are on the side of smart money. We are here early. In addition to its initial purchases, One River Digital Asset Management has commitments that will bring its holdings of Bitcoin and Ether to $1 billion as of early as 2021, he said. Boom, guys. I don't have the superlatives. I don't have the words. This is amazing. This is bullish. This is awesome. I hope you understand why I've said be patient, be patient, be patient. Look macro level. Look at what's taking place before our eyes. New all-time highs are coming. No, it won't jump overnight. Like Bitcoin's not going to go to 50,000 next week. We have to be patient. We ran up past 20,000. We're over 21,000. Expect a correction, but that doesn't mean we're not going to keep going up, right? Market cycles. We're going to have a correction, work our way back up, go to new highs, maybe 30,000, correction, so on and so forth. That's why you got to have your cash out plan and cash out at specific prices. No one can call the top. Friendly reminder on that. Guys, even more bullish news. I can't take it. Ruffer Investment allocated 2.5% of more than $20 billion portfolio to Bitcoin in November. These guys have been secretly buying up. A lot of them buy OTC or they buy in small increments so it doesn't move the market, guys. This is wow. Holy crap. In November, Ruffer allocated what is currently worth approximately 2.5% of its total assets under management to Bitcoin. Per the memo, an investment currently worth $740 million. The firm manages roughly $27 billion. So once again, the tip of the iceberg. We're not even at what the traditional financial investments are at. But it's going to get there. It's going to be a snowball effect. And you're going to see more and more. And they're going to buy up more and more, guys. And we're going to see new all-time highs. Here's a quote. We see this as a small but potent insurance policy against the continuing devaluation of the world's major currencies, the London-based firm wrote. Bitcoin diversifies the company's much larger investments in gold and inflation-linked bonds and acts as a hedge to some of the monetary and market risks that we see, Ruffer said. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't need to see or hear anymore. My bags are packed and I will keep buying the dips, not financial advice. And I don't care what anybody else does because guess what? I already started getting messages today from friends and family. Oh, Bitcoin's over 20,000? What? Can you tell me about it? Dude, it's so funny. It's like, where were you in the bear market when I was telling you guys to buy the dips? Oh my goodness. Finally, guys, Marc Andreessen, Kelly Kramer named directors on Coinbase board. This is important because Marc Andreessen, they're an investor in Coinbase, and the Andreessen Horowitz, some of the smartest people when it comes to investing. They were early in Amazon and a lot of the .com stocks. So very interesting move here. And watch Coinbase. I think even though Coinbase has had their issues, they are going to still be a major player. And I think we're going to start seeing a lot of the traditional financial bigwigs and the well-known folks. They're going to be coming into this crypto market. And like I said, guys like Raoul Pal and Dan Moorhead are going to bring maturation to this market and have people understand about diversifying, which I've been talking about on this channel forever. I'm not a maximalist for anything. I'm a maximalist on making money, what has potential, what has use cases, and so on and so forth. So, guys, what a great day. What a great day. I hope you feel the same way. I hope you're excited. I mean, my goodness, Bitcoin over 21,000. I don't think anybody expected this. You know, if we broke 20, like I said, and we had a correction back down, that would have been awesome as well. But hey, let's see where we go, right? Let's see. Maybe we can end the year at $25,000. That will be amazing. That would make it so easy to go to like 50,000 within Q1, right? Because you're halfway there. So that's why a $100,000 price point in 2021 is not far-fetched. When you look at the amount of money, the millions and collectively billions going into Bitcoin and the crypto market. So if you've endured the bear market, congratulations, my friends. Congratulations. Still have to be patient. Let the market cycle play out. Let these hedge funds and investment firms bring their millions to the market. Have your cash out plan. Know what you're going to do, what price points you're going to cash out at. I know some of you are going to say, hey, why are you cashing out? I'm just saying that because I'm cashing out some, not all. I'm going to be lending and I have some in BlockFi and earning interest, but I'm using that cash not to sit in my bank account, but to like pay off my mortgage, to pay off different debts, right? So I'm debt free and use that money to maybe fix stuff in my house and make some investments, right? It's not a matter of taking the money out and letting it sit in my bank account because fiat's being devalued. So just so you guys know, some people like attack me like, dude, why are you putting it into fiat, man? Because I'm going to use that fiat. I'm going to put that fiat to work. I'm not having that fiat sit in my bank account. Just an FYI. So guys, what do you think about this news? I hope you're excited as I am. It's a great day in crypto. A lot of us are going to be validated big time because we've been saying it for years. I started this channel in early 2017. A lot of hate, a lot of people saying, oh, whatever, you're lying, or you said this. And it's like, you guys don't understand, well, not everybody, but the people who are criticizing, you don't understand market cycles. You don't understand investing. People want their they want $100,000 Bitcoin after they bought it at 15,000. They want it within 6 months. 100,000 must go to 100,000 within 6 months. No, that's not how investing works. Anyway, guys, what do you think? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Share this video. Hit the thumbs up button. I will talk to you guys later.